Hi, my name is Brian with Phoenix Equipment. Today we're going to go through the basic repair of the Phoenix 5000 series gun. First thing you want to do is remove your tips. You have your catalyst cap and your material tip. Then you want to separate the handle from the body. That. Lay that off to the side. We'll work on the handle first. Basically, you have a spool in here with 4 O-rings on it that you're going to want to replace. Pin. Pull the spool out, and then you just want to replace those 4 O-rings. And then we recommend a non-petroleum based lubricant to go back on there. There is, you'll see on your drawing, there's a cylinder in there that shows some O-rings on it. Those almost never need to be replaced because it's a static seal, they don't move. Put that back in, put your pin in. And then the O-rings on the trigger, you're just going to want to replace those. And that's about it for the trigger. We'll come over here to the gun head. First thing we want to do is remove our yoke that controls the valves inside the gun. Pull the plate off. Remove the yoke. It's not necessary to take that off. We're doing just a basic repair. Then we're going to take out our needles. And you're going to note these needles are different sizes on the newer guns. The older guns, they should be the same size. But if they are, you always want to check to make sure that you put them back in correctly. The longer needle is going to go on the catalyst side of the gun. So once we've done that, we're going to remove the fittings on the back of the gun. And also in the back of the gun we have 2 check valves. This is your catalyst side, and this is your catalyst air side, or atomizing air as well.